We don't do things because we're afraid. I believe that's a real strong position. We convince ourselves and use our amazing intelligence to convince ourselves we're not going to do the thing because we're afraid. Deep down, we're afraid. We feel it in our gut, we feel it in our bodies, and we don't take the action because we know. So what that signal, being afraid, tells us two things. One, we don't want to do it, but two, we know what we want to do. So it's a bit conflicting. We know we need to face the thing we need to face, but we don't want to face it. And that is why a lot of us pull back. I've done it. I still do it to some extent. But what we are now, we're talking about it. We're aware of it. And we're aware of it, we can deal with it. So we need to push through. So being afraid and having the feeling that you need to do it, you need to push through and do the thing, and push through the being afraid. So let's do this, Inspiration Nation. Go to the podcast, InspirationNation.org.uk. We're deep on these subjects. Love it. Check it out. Give us a review. Be lovely. All right. So don't be afraid. Inspiration Nation. Catch you guys later.